Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to show you how to set up My Eyes Only feature on Snapchat. My Eyes Only feature is for snaps that you want to keep extra private. To set this up, open up your Snapchat app on your phone. Now swipe up to see your memories. Just below the search bar, you'll see several tabs. On the right hand side, tap on My Eyes Only. Now tap on Setup. Here, create your passcode. This will be your new passcode and it is the only way to access My Eyes Only. Read the information and if you agree, tap on the tick and tap on Continue. Now tap on Finish. Note, please remember your passcode as Snapchat cannot help you if you forget it. And that is how to set up My Eyes Only feature on Snapchat. Before you go, don't forget to like this video and please consider subscribing if you found this video useful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.